This is a recast of the 600-word piece. $20 minimum wage Spurs digital kiosk rollout at Burger King. From Loop.tech. Let's listen in.
A California Burger King franchisee is quickly installing digital kiosks due to the state's new $20 minimum wage for fast food workers. Ghai, who claims to be the largest Burger King franchisee on the West Coast, says kiosks are a more cost-effective solution than reducing staff hours or delaying new restaurant openings.
Ghai oversees about 180 fast food restaurants, including 140 Burger King locations. Currently, about 25% of his restaurants have kiosks, but he plans to equip the remaining 75% within the next 30 to 60 days. He's also implementing other cost-saving measures like cutting employee hours and eliminating overtime pay.
It's interesting to note that Ghai has had to raise his restaurant prices from an annual increase of 2 to 3% to a much steeper range of 8 to 10%. But he fears that any more price increases would hurt customer traffic.
He sees digital kiosks as a key factor in balancing these increased labor costs. Beyond cost savings, these kiosks also offer additional benefits like improved order accuracy and the ability to encourage customers to spend more.
This move aligns with a national trend in the fast food industry towards digital kiosks, but California's $20 minimum wage has significantly accelerated this adoption process.
So it seems we might be seeing a lot more kiosks in our fast food future. That's it for today.